In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Wise. If you're finished using your account and want to sign out securely, this is a very quick process. Logging out is especially important if you're using a shared computer, a public device, or simply want to make sure no one else can access your account after you're done. To begin, go to the Wise homepage. Once the site has loaded and you're in your account, take a moment to make sure you're on the main Wise interface. This is where you'll be able to access your account controls and profile settings. Next, look toward the top area of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually the small account symbol that gives you access to personal account options. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. If you don't see it right away, just scan the upper part of the page carefully, since that's where account menus are typically located. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu should appear with several account-related options. In that menu, look for the Log Out option. Once you find it, click on Log Out. As soon as you select it, Wise should sign you out of your account. In most cases, you'll either return to the home page or be taken to a page that shows you are no longer logged in. That's how you confirm the log out was successful. A helpful tip here is to wait a second after logging out and avoid just closing the browser tab before the sign out finishes, especially if you're on a slower connection. This helps ensure your session is properly ended. If you're using your own personal device, logging out is still a good habit, particularly when you're managing financial information. And if you ever log in on someone else's computer, make sure you complete this final step every time before leaving the page. So, to recap, go to the Wise homepage, click the profile icon at the top, and then click Log Out from the menu. It only takes a few seconds, but it's an important step for keeping your account secure. That's it for this guide on how to log out on Wise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.